Peeps S'mores Brownies. And ooh-wee, they're as good as they sound. Well, hey y'all, it's April, and I'm bringing you another video that will be another voiceover. So I come up with this crazy idea of using my leftover Peeps from Easter, and I decided that I would take a brownie mix, like a boxed brownie mix, and mix it with some chocolate and some graham crackers and the Peeps, and there you go. Now this is I'm not allowed to say her name, Queen of Country brownie mix. And if you look at her recipe, I showed you there a few minutes ago. If you look at her recipe, it's just her box mix plus half a cup of melted butter, 1 egg, and then 3 tablespoons of milk. So I'm finding her recipes are totally different than what you would see from just a regular Duncan Hines cake mix or any other cake mix. But so far, I mean, her cake mixes have been pretty good, or brownies or whatever. If you've watched my other video, I'll try to link that. I think YouTube has pulled it, and I need to go and I guess maybe remove her picture and take her name off. I think that's why they pulled it. But anyway, if I can link that where you can watch it, then I will take you back to when I fixed her first cake mix, and it was like a banana, and it was good. It turned out really good. But anyway, so I've got her brownie mix done according to her package directions. So I've just added the fudge packet that comes with that brownie mix. And what I've decided to do, I'm going to take about a half a cup of chocolate chips and pour in here with this brownie mix. And this brownie mix is a really thick batter, but they turned out good. But anyway, I'm taking a half a cup of just the semi-sweet chocolate chips and putting in there. Then I'm going to I took 4, sorry, I didn't really show it too well, but I took 4 of the long, the whole thing, of the graham crackers. I took 4, I don't even know what to call that, 4 cookies, 4 slices, 4 whatever, and I broke them up. I didn't want to put them like in a blender and just beat them to death, because I wanted some of those to be kind of chunky, and so I broke them up, as you can see, kind of chunky. And the end result, I'm glad I done that. So I'm just going to kind of fold those chocolate chips and the graham crackers in with this brownie mix. Okay, next I'm going to take my cake pan, so 9x11 cake pan, and I'm going to spray it down with just some cooking spray. And then I'm going to put my brownie batter in. Like I said, it's really thick, so you kind of have to just work with it, trying to get that thing spread out. Okay, we are almost there. It took a lot of work to get that spread out, but we're there. Okay, once you get it spread out, you're going to take it to your oven, and you're going to bake it according to the recipe. It called for 350, and I baked mine for about 20 minutes. Then once it's done, you pull it out, and I've told you guys I bake with love, so sometimes I don't measure. But my best guess is I probably sprinkled out about a cup of chocolate chips over just the top of the done brownies. Then after I just sprinkled my cup of chocolate chips, then I took my leftover Peeps and I kind of spread them apart and put them on top. Put them back in the oven for roughly about 5 minutes. You only want them in there long enough to where they kind of crack a little bit and they turn just a little bit brown on the top, because you don't want them in there so long that your brownie gets dried out because it's baked too long, obviously. Once I've pulled them out, then I'm just going to take a spoon and kind of just flatten those birds out. Let that marshmallow kind of spread, and then I'm just going to let them cool off and completely. Well, I lied. I didn't end up cooling mine off completely, and it still was good. And I just cut me a slice, and boy, it was really good. I mean, I still had kind of that sugary kind of crunch to the top of that Peep, and I really like that. And then you had that melty marshmallow, and obviously you've got that melty chocolate in there, and then you can taste the graham cracker, because like I said, like I showed you, I left kind of some bigger chunks of that graham cracker, so you are getting chunks of that graham cracker. And man, oh man, that was really good. I'm kind of proud of myself for coming up with this thing. So I don't think anybody else has done it. If they have, I haven't seen it. But anyway, so there you go, folks. There is some Peeps S'mores Brownies, and I hope you like it. If you did like this video, or if you found any value in it, then give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I'd really appreciate you subscribing and becoming a part of our family. And while you're at it, head on over to my other channel, my Crazy Creative Life 2023 Crafts. I've got a brand new Temu Haul video that I posted just a few days ago, and I'll leave the link in the description box. So head on over there and go watch that one too. And I hope you have a blessed rest of your day, and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye!